Hello my dear students, welcome to Byjus exam prep. Hope you guys are fine. So guys, in today's video, I'll be telling you the 10 best data science opportunities in India. Of course, as you know that this data science is becoming the need of the hour. Every time we talk about data analyst or various other categories in data science. And you would have also seen that this year, GATE has also launched a new paper that is data science and artificial intelligence. So yes, in the present era, there is a boom of data science. Now let's talk about that if we proceed our chances or basically our interest on the data science, what are the various opportunities which we can get. So this 5 to 10 minutes video will quickly tell you all of it. So why to wait? Let's start. First of all, if you talk, but before that, let me know if you don't know about me, you can go through my profile and let's talk about data science. Firstly, the opportunities is you can opt for data scientist, which is right now it is, you can say it's trending. Talking here, what are the responsibilities of yours? Yeah, you have to analyze the complex data and all. Best example is, have you ever seen that when you order food from any food delivery apps, you see that they tell you the estimated time at what time it will reach to your home. Okay, so these are the part of the data scientist that basically you have to analyze the complex data sets and you have to take the decisions as well. So it's not only analyzing the data, but you have to take firm business decisions as well. Here, if you talk about in finance, marketing, healthcare, e-commerce, everywhere nowadays you need a data scientist. Talking next in this category, the next opportunity which you can get is a data engineer. Everybody who doesn't know about it, they say that data scientist, data engineer, data analyst, everything is same. But no, my dear students, there is a difference between them. Like if you say environmental engineer, transportation engineer, geotechnical engineer, is it same? No. Of course, in the broader Venn diagram, they are a component of civil engineers, but they have a various other bifurcations as well. Similar thing goes here also. Talking about data engineer, here the designing and maintenance part of the infrastructure which is needed to collect the data, for storing the data, for processing the data, that is done by a data engineers. Because when you talk about data, of course, the gathering of the data is the proper arrangement of it, the storage of it is required, which is done by a data engineers. Okay, for analyzing the data, the functioning of the data, the amount of data should be stored, should be perfect. So that is done by data engineer. Talking next about the career opportunities is an AI researcher. Yeah, you know, artificial intelligence nowadays is again a boom. So talking about AI researcher, here what you have to do is you have to develop new algorithms, techniques for solving complex set of problems. So that is the work of a AI researcher. Next, if you talk it about here, the next career opportunity which you get is business analyst. So here, basically what happens, the data analyst assists firm in making educated decisions, like what is the market trend going on. Let us suppose if I'm talking about fashion industry, what is the new fashion which is going on, what is the Gen Z people liking about things, what is the teenage liking about the things, what is the infants liking about the city, what is if a mother is purchasing clothes for the children, what is the basic prime requirement for studying the whole market. You have what? Business analyst. Okay, so that is the next options which you can explore. Talking next is machine learning engineers. Yeah, here when you talk about machine learning, which you call it as ML, here you have a wider range of applications. You can have image recognition. Basically in machine learning also you have further bifurcations. So image recognition, natural language processing. So here you have different, you can make the prototypes and the models and do the analysis of it. So the next option is machine learning engineer. In this category, next is risk analyst. You would have seen some of the profile, and risk analyst page. Yeah, of course, it is a you can say a more you can say a valuable job, or you can say that yeah, a very risky job also. You can say by the name risk analyst. But if you talk about the salary, you get a quite a handsome salary if you are appointed as a risk analyst. Talking here, like you have insurance companies, you have other organizations where you have risk basically there, that what are the percentage chances, how much amount is to be paid, and all those data. So that how to evaluate that, what is the percentage risk and how to reduce the risk, increase the reliability, that all things are being done by the risk analyst. Talking next in this category is e-commerce analyst, which is also in demand because nowadays, have you ever seen that even in you can say tier 2 cities, and also nowadays we don't go much to have a shopping outside. Rather, we prefer to have shopping on our apps through our windows. Okay, so basically, when you talk it about e-commerce analyst, how the customer behavior is there, what is the sales, shall we give the discounts only on festive seasons, or shall we keep a discounts on each and every festivals which is coming, or shall we keep weekend discount? So how does the basically the prototype of our you can say app is there, does the customer likes it? So everything will be analyzed by a e-commerce analyst. So this is again a field which you guys can explore. Next is the category is data analytics consultant. So here, when you have to work with basically clients are there, offshore clients are also there. So they'll be basically it's like a third party you talk it about. So you will be given the data, you have to analyze it, which you have to tell them that fine, these are the flaws in your business. You have to verify this. This is the new initiative. This is the new campaign which you should launch so that the public or this generation of public, if you're targeting the mid 30s, 40s, or if 20s, so this section of public will get you can say attracted or launch this product because this is in huge demand. So everything is done by the data analytics consultant. Talking next in this category is data visualization specialist. So if I'm talking all the career opportunities in India. So yeah, there's a need for data visualization specialist as well. Here what happens is, here like you have various data which you can see it on the figures. You have data in the form of bar graph and Venn diagrams in histogram format. In every format it is there. So you are there to represent that last year was this sale, this year this is the sale, what is the complicated things which is happening, what are the various measures which we have taken wrongly, what are the things which we have to be very very cautious when we are launching a product, and what are the loopholes. So everything is being done by the data visualization specialist. Okay, next, if you talk it about marketing analyst, of course marketing analyst is also required because marketing initiatives which you have to take, as I told you, the target population and consumer interactions, like if they are not liking your product, take the feedback from them, positive feedback, try to improve it, and again talk to the customers about the review. So this is the marketing analyst job. I guess you now got the idea that when you talk about data science, it's not only data scientist or data analyst job which you have it. And so you say that people say now this field will also saturate in a year or two, or maximum 4 years. But let me tell you, with the increasing trend of we shopping online, the e-commerce and everything happening online, when we order our food, basic things also. Now even we forget a masala, we have n number of apps who will bring that masalas or anything in 5 to 10 minutes. So we are so much addicted to these apps, we are so much into this mobile, we are so much into it, that this is the need of the hour. Okay, so if you want, you can explore this 10 data science opportunities in India. And if you want me to make any other videos, kindly do comment in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed to Byjus Exam Prep, do so. Thank you everybody.